Yo, YouTube, what is going on? Now, do you want to know how to get free Xbox gift card codes in 2024? I know I did, and I spent the last week or so searching for a working method to get free Xbox codes, and the reason I'm bringing you this video is basically I successfully found a working method. It's pretty easy, and this is going to get you Xbox gift card codes up to, I believe it's $100 for completely free, meaning you can get any game or whatever you want from the Xbox store without breaking the bank. So let me run through these steps on how you can get your free Xbox codes. You have to open up the internet on your mobile phone. I recommend you use your mobile. I'm using a laptop just to record my screen, but I do recommend you use a mobile and go to this website, www.wavycoupons.com. So make sure you spell it correctly, guys. You have to go directly to Wavy Coupons. Now, you need to find the Xbox page on Wavy Coupons. You can do that by simply searching for it manually, or you can go to the search bar and type in Xbox codes. No, Xbox gift. There we go. Xbox gift card codes. And you need to look for this green Xbox logo. Alternatively, you can just manually look for it. So this is the page you need to navigate your way to. And as I mentioned, there is a $100 free Xbox gift card code. Alternatively, you can get free games or free Game Pass or Xbox Live. So just click on Show Coupon on the code you wish to get. And now you can see here, we need to unlock the code. This is completely normal. As you can imagine, a $100 Xbox gift card code is pretty valuable. So this just prevents someone coming on and stealing every available code. So we need to unlock it. So tap Unlock Code. Now, the next screen you're going to see may differ if you do this on your mobile. It's a lot easier on your mobile. You're going to have a few more options than I'm going to see here. But basically, guys, we need to verify ourselves as a real person and just follow the instructions on this screen. So you can see we need to fully complete 2 of the tasks below. On your mobile, you're going to see a bunch of different ones, such as mobile games that you can download and play. They're all completely free, and you just need to follow the instructions and fully complete any 2 of them. So I'm going to pause the video whilst I go ahead and complete this survey. I've got to answer some questions and input my valid and working email address. If you choose to do surveys, it's important you input your correct email, because it does verify you as a real person. So I'm going to do this and then I'll return once I've fully completed both of these tasks. Okay, so that took me around 5 to 10 minutes. I just went ahead and I completed those 2 tasks you saw there. So I finished off that survey, then I did the second one. So if you've done everything correctly and followed all of the instructions, you should see an Xbox Coupons tab come up. So if you do this on your mobile, just open up the tabs on your mobile and click on the new Xbox Coupons tab, and it's back to this page. And now you simply tap on Show Coupon on the code you chose. And there you go. It has revealed my $100 Xbox gift card code. Like I said, this can be simply redeemed on my Xbox or on the Microsoft website, and it's going to credit my Xbox account $100, and I can spend that on anything I want, be it a game, Xbox Live, whatever I want. That's $100 worth. So I'm going to be redeeming this code in a few minutes. So this one, by the time this video is uploaded, this code is going to be invalid. So you need to go to wavycoupons.com and get your free Xbox codes. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, go ahead and smash that like button, leave a comment below. If you need any help, I'm always willing to help you guys out. So enjoy your free Xbox codes, and you can also have a browse on this website. They have tons and tons of different pages. Enjoy guys, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Peace out.